Then the mean value of x is denoted by, x bar. On the top of x we write bar, that will be there x bar. Okay. Then the mean value of x is denoted by x bar. So x1, x2, x3, xn are discrete values of x. Then the mean value of x is denoted by x bar and is given by that we write x bar as mean value of x, x bar. What we do, we add all the values of x, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 up to xn. We add all the values of x. To find mean value of x, we add all the values of x. Okay. After adding all the values of x, whichever total you get, you divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? Divide this total by total number of values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So how many values are given? N. N is number of values. So x bar is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by n. So that we write x bar as summation xi upon n. Okay, this symbol we read as summation. Summation means you have to add. For addition we use the symbol summation. So this is the formula. X bar is add all the values of x, divide this total by total number of values given. So finally we write mean value is add all the values given, then divide this total by number of values given. Number of values. So mean is add all the values given, divide by total number of values given. How many values are given? So you can count how many values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide total by total number of values given. You will get mean x bar. Is it clear? And to calculate mean, there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. For range, first we have to arrange the data in ascending order, and then range will be highest minus lowest. But for mean value, there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. You just add all the values of x. After adding all the values of x, whichever total comes, you divide that total by total number of values given. How many values are given? For example, we can take the example. Thing will be clear. Right, chalo. Right. To find mean value, we add all the values given, and then we divide the total by total number of values. Okay, for example, you are given the values of x. Example, you are given the discrete values of x. Example, you are given the discrete values of x. The values of x are 3, 5, 12, then 12, then 4. Then 4. Find x bar. How you will find x bar? Mean value. Tell me. How you will find x bar? Yes. 4. Yes. You will divide this. You will add all the values of x. That is 3 plus 5 plus 12 plus 4. Then you will divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide this total by 4. So let us see how much. So 24 by 4, answer is 6. So x bar is 6. Mean value is 6. Okay. So there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order for mean value. So we just add all the values of x and then we divide this total by total number of values given. So based on this we have exercise 9a. Based on this we have exercise 9a. And in C. After x I have written 2 dot. The values of x are 3, 5, 12, 4. Then x bar is 3. Now in this chapter, mean and median, only simple calculation based on mean and median is there. Excluding data, including data is not there. So only simple type of problems are there. Exercise 19a. Let us start exercise 19a. Exercise 19a. Okay. Now let us see the first exercise. Find the mean of. Find the mean of. Do it. Find the mean of. Find the mean of. You are given the values 43, 51, 43, 51, 50, 57, 54. 50, 57 and 54. Okay, you are given the values 43, 51, 50, 57, 54. Find mean value. So how will find mean value? Yes, tell me. Mean value will be 43 plus 51 plus 50 plus 57 plus 54. Divide this total by total number of values given. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide this by 5. Now let us add all the 255, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5. Then 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 20. 255 upon 5. You can cancel 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. So mean value is 51. Mean value of this given data is 51. Okay. Then find the mean of first 6 natural numbers. Yes. So first you have to list the first 6 natural numbers. First you have to list the first 6 natural numbers. Yes, do it fast. First you have to list the first 6 natural numbers, then you have to find mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will find mean? Add all the values, then divide total by total number of values given. So second one, first 6 natural numbers are, 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 yes, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you want to find mean. So just add all the 6 natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. Then divide this total by total number of natural numbers. How many natural numbers are given? 6. So mean value is 1 plus 21. 21 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 3.5, yes. So mean value is 3.5. So mean of first 6 natural number is 3.5. Then find the mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers. Okay, so third one will be first 10 odd natural numbers. First 10 odd natural numbers. Yes, what are they? Odd natural numbers means which we cannot divide by 2. First 10 odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 11, then 13, 15, then 17. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19. Then rest part is homework. Okay. You add all the values and then divide this total by number of odd natural numbers, that is 10. Okay, so you will calculate the total of this, then divide this total by total number of values given. Then find the mean of all factors of 10. Yes, all factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay, then you will add all the values 1, 2, 5, 10 and divide this by 4 factors are there. So divide by 4. So fourth one is also homework. Okay, fourth one is homework. Now let us see the fifth one. Fifth one. Find the mean value of the following. Find the mean value of the following. Find the mean of the following. Fifth one. Yes. Which values are given? X plus 3. X plus 3, comma, X plus 5. X plus 3, X plus 5. Then X plus 7. Then X plus 9. Then X plus 11. These values are given. You want to find mean value. Do it. Add all the values. Divide this total by total number of values given. Yes. Add all the values. X plus 3 plus X plus 5 plus X plus 7 plus X plus 9 plus X plus 11. So we write mean value is X plus 3 plus X plus 5 plus X plus 7 plus X plus 9 plus X plus 11. Now how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide this by 5. So mean value is, you can add like term, x and x, x, how 5x, 5x, plus 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 11, 35. 35 divided by 5. 5x plus 35 divided by 5. Now use this result. A plus B divided by C. I can write A by C plus B by D. B by C. Okay. Whenever denominator there is one term, numerator there are two terms, you can divide each term of the numerator by denominator. A plus B by C, I can write A by C plus B by C. So mean value will be 5x upon 5 plus 35 upon 5. You can cancel. 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. So mean value is x plus 7. Mean value is x plus 7. Mean value is x plus 7. Yes. Yes. You can directly write. I have put that in the bracket. You can directly write. Okay. Then sixth question. If different values of variable x are, if different values of variable x are, if different values of variable x are, different values of variable x. So x has different values. X has different values. So even though it is given in the decimal, okay, in 6th standard, 7th standard you have studied how to add decimals. You can add the decimals. Now the different values of variable x are, okay, sixth one. X has different values, 9.8, 5.4, x has different values. The values of x. Okay. X has different values, sixth one. X has different values, 9.8, comma 5.4, 9.8, 5.4, 9.8, 5.4, then 3.7, 1.7, then 1.8, 2.6,